Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about NewSQL databases, CockroachDB, key features of NewSQL databases, benefits of NewSQL databases, challenges of NewSQL databases, future trends in NewSQL databases. Let's enjoy. Definition of NewSQL. Characteristics of NewSQL databases. Combines the benefits of traditional SQL databases with scalability and performance as NoSQL, ACID compliance, distributed and horizontally scalable architecture. Overview of CockroachDB features: distributed SQL database, strong consistency, horizontal scalability, multi-active availability. Native representation of relationships, efficient traversal of complex networks, schema flexibility, support for ACID transactions. Combines scalability of NoSQL with ACID compliance SQL, simplified data management with SQL interface, high performance for both read and write operations, horizontal scalability without sacrificing consistency. Data modeling complexity, managing distributed transactions, performance tuning for distributed queries, operational complexity in managing distributed clusters. Comparison of NewSQL with traditional SQL and NoSQL databases. Use cases where NewSQL databases offer advantages over other approaches. Advances in distributed SQL query optimization. Integration with cloud-native technologies, example, Kubernetes. Predictions for the future evolution of NewSQL databases. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.